How to improve your English. My journey and tips. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to improve your English. I'll share my journey of improving my language skills and provide you with practical tips that helped me along the way. My journey of improving English. When I started, I was at the very bottom. In school, I was terrible at English. I didn't understand much, and speaking was a huge challenge. But I was determined to improve, so I began my journey from scratch. Step-by-step guide to improving your English. Watching English videos and movies. One of the first steps I took was watching videos and movies in English. If you find movies hard to understand, try switching on the subtitles. This way, you can read along while listening, which greatly improves comprehension. Reading in English. Reading is another powerful tool. I started with newspapers, comics, and books in English. Reading not only improves your vocabulary, but also familiarizes you with sentence structures and grammar. 3. Creating an English immersive environment. To learn any language, you need to immerse yourself in it. Make your whole environment about that language. Speak to your friends in English, even if you make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you get. 4. Engaging in English conversations. When you go out, try to talk in English. It might feel awkward initially, but that's how you learn. Do not hesitate. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. 5. Embracing mistakes. When I started, I made a lot of mistakes, but I made sure I kept speaking in English. The key is to not let mistakes discourage you. Keep going and you'll improve over time. 6. Starting with small sentences. Begin with small sentences. Don't worry about making mistakes. What's important is that you're practicing. Over time, you'll start to form more complex sentences naturally. 7. The role of cartoons in learning English. You might find it funny, but watching cartoons in English is incredibly effective. The language used in cartoons is simple and grammatically correct, making it perfect for learners. 8. Perfect grammar in cartoons. Cartoons are designed for kids, so the language is straightforward and easy to understand. Unlike movies, cartoons do not use slang and complicated sentences, which makes them ideal for learning proper grammar. 9. Understanding basic grammar. It's crucial to understand the basics of grammar, such as nouns, adjectives, and pronouns. Having a solid foundation in grammar reduces the chances of making mistakes. 10. Listening and comprehending English. Listening to English helps a lot in understanding the language. You'll be able to comprehend better and respond appropriately. Try listening to English podcasts, songs, or news to improve your listening skills. 11. The value of a practice partner. Find a partner with whom you can practice speaking English. This could be a friend or a family member. Consistent practice with a partner helps you get comfortable with the language. 12. Immersive conversations in English. Engage in conversations solely in English. It might be uncomfortable initially, but it's a powerful way to learn. You'll get used to thinking and responding in English, which is crucial for fluency. 13. Handling mistakes and criticism. People might make fun of your mistakes, but don't let that discourage you. I faced a lot of criticism, but I didn't let it stop me. Remember, persistence is key. 14. Using subtitles effectively. When watching movies or shows, use subtitles to your advantage. Pause and read the subtitles if needed. Write down any useful sentences you come across and try to use them in your conversations. 15. Expanding vocabulary. Learning new words daily is essential. I kept a notebook where I wrote down words I didn't know and their meanings. Make it a habit to learn at least 3 new words every day. 16. Continuous grammar practice. Grammar practice is crucial. Try to do at least 1 or 2 worksheets daily. For example, if you're learning tenses, practice writing sentences in the present tense until you're comfortable. 17. Maintaining a daily diary. Maintain a diary where you write about your day in English. This practice helps in improving your writing skills and reinforces what you've learned. 18. Reading articles and structured content. Reading articles on topics that interest you helps in understanding different writing styles and structures. Analyze how sentences are formed and try to mimic them in your writing. 19. Conclusion. Improving your English takes time and effort, but it's entirely possible. Practice daily, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep pushing yourself. If I could do it, so can you. Keep faith in yourself, and remember, I'm here to help you. I'll be uploading new videos regularly to assist you in your journey. Questions which are mostly asked by people. 1. What is the best way to start learning English? Start with small steps like watching cartoons and reading simple books. Gradually move to more complex materials. 2. How important is grammar in learning English? Grammar is the foundation of any language. Understanding basic grammar rules is essential to reduce mistakes and improve fluency. 3. Can watching movies help improve English? Yes. Watching movies with subtitles can greatly enhance your listening and comprehension skills. 4. How can I expand my vocabulary? Keep a notebook of new words and their meanings. Make it a habit to learn and use at least 3 new words every day. 5. What should I do if people make fun of my English? Stay persistent and do not get discouraged by criticism. Remember, making mistakes is a part of the learning process. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.